Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect credit to QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. First, log in to your QuickBooks account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard of QuickBooks. From here, go to the Bank Transactions tab. You'll usually find it in the left-hand menu or at the top, depending on your view. This is the hub where all your financial transactions are managed. In the Bank Transactions section, look at the top right corner for the Link Account option and click it. A new window will appear with a list of banks and credit card companies. Scroll through or search for your credit card provider and select it. Next, enter your credit card details and follow the on-screen instructions to log in. This step allows QuickBooks to connect securely with your credit card account. QuickBooks uses strong security protections, so your information is safe. After you've granted access, QuickBooks will begin importing your recent transactions. Take a moment to review everything and confirm that the setup is correct. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.